How you doing? I'm Biggs and welcome to Biggs' Home Cooking. Today we'll be cooking up some Korean barbecue, KAL BI, and we'll be doing that with some beef back ribs. And of course I'll be doing it out on the pit barrel cooker. Of course the pit barrel cooker never cooked a bad rib in its life. Alright, so let's get started with this cook. Okay, to start off this cook, I'm going to make up a marinade. And I'm going to be doing some Korean barbecue with these beef back ribs. And I'm using the no seasoning. What you do is you take a half cup of water for each packet and then mix the packets in, and you add a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil, and you could add some green onion in. And for a little more robust taste, I'm going to substitute a little bit of sesame oil for one of those tablespoons of vegetable oil. Alright, so let's get this going here. I already got one packet mixed in there. Get the other packet. Okay, we'll give that a stir. Mix well till dissolved. Alright. To that I'm going to add my vegetable oil and sesame oil. That's 4 tablespoons altogether. 3 vegetable, 1 sesame oil. And then I'm just going to add some green onions in there for a little extra added flavor. Alright, we'll give that a stir up and we'll get these mixed in with the ribs. Be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Here I got a nice 7-bone rack of beef back ribs that I trimmed off a whole roast, a whole 7-bone prime rib roast. Alright, so they're looking nice. Alright, I think I'm actually going to put the ribs in first. And into the bag she goes. And then I have one of those chip bag clips. Alright, so these are going to marinate. I like to do these overnight, but I don't have that much time. It's the morning of, so I'm going to give these about 4 or 5 hours. Alright folks, I'm going to light my coals for this cook here. I'm doing it on a pit barrel today. Got a basket full of, partially full of Kingsford Blue. And I got a chimney full of the pit barrel cooker chimney. So let me light this. I'll let that go for about 10 minutes. And while that's doing that, I'm going to go inside and hook the beef ribs. Alright, meet you inside. Okay, so while the coals are going for the pit barrel, I'm going to set the hooks for this. Now this has been marinating for about 5 hours, which like I said, I like to do overnight, even sometimes 2 days. But anyway, there's the ribs. They're looking good. Now let me just hook these up. I'm going 1 bone down, but I'm going up against the 2nd bone. Alright, and there you have it. So let those coals finish up heating up, and we'll meet you out at the barrel. Alrighty, these coals are ready. They've been going about 10 minutes. I'm just going to dump them down on top of the other coals. Alright, and I'm going to let that go for about 5 minutes. Just so the smoke settles a little bit. Just going to move the coals around just a little bit, spread them out a little more evenly. Alright, we'll meet you back here in 5. Alrighty, these coals are ready now. Get the lid off here. Let's get these racks of ribs. Oh, yeah. That's a nice, big, meaty rack of ribs right there. Let me get this one side hooked. And then I'll reach down and grab this other one for the spread. There we go. Alright folks, I'm going to check these at 3 hours. I'm hoping they're done in around 4, 4.5. Alright, so we'll meet you back out here in 3. Okay everyone, back out at the pit barrel. It's 3 hours. And I'm going to take these ribs off now. See where we're at. Because I'm going to put a little sauce on them too. Alright, so let's unhook this here without doing too much damage. Okay. And there you have it. ribs. Let's poke these a little bit and see where we're at. Pretty tender right now. So I'm going to bring these inside, sauce them up quick, and then put them back on. Probably give them another half hour. Okay, inside here, and I'm just going to slather a little barbecue sauce on there, and we're going to be using some Lee Kum Kee Korean barbecue sauce. Going to start, put some on the back. And we'll just spread that out. Oh, those look good. I never sauced up beef ribs before. Oops, just hit the camera. And we'll flip her over and do the other side. This looks to be a good sauce. Oh yeah. Then we're going to put this back out on the pit barrel for about 20-30 more minutes. By then, these will be looking real good. Alright folks, so that's it. Meet you back out there. Okay, gonna throw those ribs back on. These are gonna go on for another 20 minutes to a half hour. Beautiful. See you then. Alrighty folks, 4 hours. Getting these boys off. Alright, and there you have it. Some Korean barbecue beef back ribs. KAL BI. Nice. Alright, gonna bring this inside and let it rest for a moment. Alright folks, so there you have it. Nice rack of beef baby back ribs. Korean barbecue. Alright, let me flip these over and we'll slice into them. Alright. Alright, time to slice the ribs. I'm gonna turn these around a second. Let's take a look at and see what we got. I think that's looking awesome. Good smoke ring. Alright, and I bet you the flavor's kicking. So let me slice these up and meet you out at the table. Alright. Talk about your beef back rib. Look at that thing. That thing's a beast. Delicioso. Alright, meet you out there. Alright folks, so here we are at the dinner table. Got myself some nice Korean barbecue beef back ribs, KAL BI, some string beans and some cauliflower with a little bit of balsamic glaze on top. Alright, so you know, here we go. Let's give this a taste and see what it's all about. Very good. Awesome flavors. Like again, the stuff in those packets, I don't know what they put in there, but it's all good. Tender as can be. And just good. Alright folks, so once again, I appreciate everyone stopping by and checking out the big man's channel. Alright, I appreciate it. And once again, keep on looking at Biggs' Home Cooking. Because if you ain't, you don't know what's going on. Alright? We're cooking up good stuff like this here. Alright, we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Bye.